How to reset Windows 11 PC without losing your data. Guys, if you find this tip helpful, please subscribe to this channel. First, come to the start button, right click on it and click on settings. Now come to the system here, click on it. Scroll down to the base of this page, click on recovery. Now here you have a lot of options. Recovery option, you have reset this PC and advanced startup. So click on reset this PC here. It comes out here, you have two important information. Mind you want to reset your PC without losing your personal information. Keep my files and remove everything. So we are going for keep my file, remove app and settings, but keep your personal file. Click on this button. Then it comes out like this. You have two options, download, and this cloud download and local reinstall. So I will choose local reinstall. Click on this button. Start like this, additional setting, correct settings, reinstall window from this device, change settings. So click on next. So once you click on next, it comes out like this. You have this, change settings back to their default, keep personal file, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs. So you want to fill all the apps and programs that once you remove them, you will not be able to get them again. But if it's installed, it may likely come off from this place. So let's click back now. Go ahead and click on this reset button to start this process. This will reset all your device without losing any of your personal profile. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.